I scoured Amazon for the perfect shower curtain. I want to make sure I leave enough hanging over. I'm going to give the table a quick coat of paint and sew them all the way around. Thread a piece of twine through the pocket I created. It's time to put the new cover on the table. I'm absolutely loving this custom tablecloth.
Start by sanding your table. Begin painting. Grab some sandpaper and sand to distress. Roughly cut the fabric to size. Grab some hard coat Mod Podge. Apply your fabric to the top of the table, trimming it. Add your Mod Podge on top. Repeat this process on any other part of the table, and now it's a fun, whimsical focal point to my space.
You're gonna need 4 of these canvases, and we're gonna turn them upside down, run a line of glue, then we're just gonna push these 2 together here, put a staple across the gap to take off the clamps, gently flip this over, and I'm just gonna add a few staples, place it over the canvas, and just cut straight up. Okay, now we're ready to attach it and put in a staple. We have this beautiful piece of art.
I found this fun shower curtain. I'm going to start by painting the table. Use a utility knife and run it along the edge. I want to seal the paint to protect it. Put a layer of Mod Podge all over the glass, and now I'm going to lay the shower curtain onto it. I want to trim off the excess, add one more layer of Mod Podge over the top for added protection. This little table is so cute now, perfect for sunny days on the balcony.
You're going to start with a pillow insert, get a shower curtain. So I'm gonna make mine 15 inches. For the back side of the pillow, we're gonna create a pocket. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this fold in half. I'm gonna fold it about 1/2 inch. You're just looking to create like a really clean edge. You can use glue instead. So that side is finished. You want the presentation sides to be facing each other. And then the other part where we stitched, they're gonna basically overlap. Wrap it around a couple times, hold at the base, flip it right side out, and I'm gonna wrap around the back. I'm gonna attach it to this double side seam that we created, wrap it around the buttons, and you have a new waterproof pillow to put outside.
Clear your space and hang up a shower curtain. Set up your equipment, add some lounge chairs, and when it gets dark, enjoy a snack while watching a movie. I cut 4 rectangles of fabric. I hot glued the edges and folded underneath to create a seam. I set them on my table, and the great thing is they're waterproof. I hung 2 command hooks up on each corner using 2 tension rods. I placed 1 curtain on each of them. I placed the tension rods onto the hooks, and we had curtains. I found a shower curtain at a thrift store. I placed my pillow on top of the shower curtain. I hot glued 3 of the 4 sides together. I measured adhesive hook and loop fasteners on the last opening. Now I can open and close the pillowcase to take it off and clean it when it needs it. I cut out both pockets, and these will become pen and pencil holders. I cut off the bottom of the 2 legs. I hot glued the pocket on 3 sides. You could add colored pencils and an art pad if you. Using the insert, I placed it on my shower curtain and cut around it. I placed the shower curtain section inside my frame. I hung it up as wall art, and it doubles as a message board.